Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're at a house today and it's nighttime, obviously, and we got to snake out the main line from the clean out on the grass. So I'm going to hook up as many lights as I can so hopefully you guys can see, and we'll take care of this. All right, so we're going to be using the K60 with the 7/8 cable. I don't know if you can see the water down there, probably not. Hold on a second. Doesn't really help either. So anyway, all right.
I just gotta get a different head.
All right, we're gonna try the 4-inch root cutter, see if that works. If not, we'll try the 2.5-inch. Always keep your pins away from the hole. You lose too many pins that way. So you may not have been able to see that, but you could probably hear it. We just cleared it. Probably about 15 feet from here. Probably not far from that tree. Probably just halfway. And you guys can't even see the tree. That's funny. Right there. Anyway, we're gonna pull it out, see if we found anything interesting. Probably gonna be roots, but we'll see. Definitely got some roots there. More roots. They're just little fibrous roots. Probably getting in through a crack. And the infamous wet wipes. Wet wipes and roots. Just want to give it one more snake. Alright, I need you guys to flush all the toilets.
You want me to flush it out?
Flush all the toilets. You got a plunger?
I do, yes.
Okay, try plunging it.
Okay.
Because this was plugged.
Okay.
So now it just may need to be plunged once or twice. If it doesn't go, let me know.
Okay.
Okay, that looks clear. I can hear water running. So I'm gonna close this up, and then we'll wait to see what the tenant says. Because we may have to do something in the basement. Hand tight, then quarter turn. This should be enough. You don't want to over tighten these because then they get stuck on. There's all the roots.
No, but before.
It didn't work?
There is not even water coming out.
There's not water coming out?
No.
Did you guys shut off the toilet?
No. I know. Let me go and check.
It's because drains and water and pressured water are two different systems, right? So the drain wouldn't be affecting your water. So take a look. You know what, we can unplug this as well. Oh, I'm not going to need this outside. I'm all done outside.
Will you turn it off?
Definitely won't flush if no water. You need water to flush. 100% of the time.
Pues les estoy preguntando si le cerraron, güey.
It's okay, it's okay.
Sorry, my friend.
No, don't be sorry. I'm getting paid.
Yeah, right?
Hold on, no, leave that, leave that. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
Because yeah, the main was plugged outside.
Very loud.
Roots and wipes.
Right.
Wipes. Somebody's flushing wipes.
Okay. So.
Even if they say flushable, don't flush them. Like those? Don't flush. Okay, try. Like magic, eh? Alright. All good. All good.
It worked perfectly?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Look,
In the shower.
it's all connected. So no wipes.
No.
Somebody. Guaranteed.
Yeah, someone.
I pulled them from the drain. It's not like I didn't go to the city. They're in this line. I'm not saying you.
There's other wipes?
There wasn't a lot of them, but there was some.
Okay.
You can't flush anyway.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
cannot do that.
Even if they say flushable, don't flush them.
Okay.
Okay? Because they don't break down.
Yeah.
They flush, but they don't break down.
Yeah.
So what they're saying is true. They do flush, but they don't break down, so it clogs the system.
And toilet paper, like.
Toilet paper's fine. Toilet
Yeah.
paper's fine. Want to flush once more? Good sound, eh?
Sounds good, yeah. That is a good sound.
Guys, have a good night.
Thank you, appreciate it.
No
All the
problem.
best. Take care.
Thank you. All right, my friend.
Finished?
All finished.
Oh, you are the best, man.
I'm the best?
Yeah, believe me.
I'm average. Have a good night, okay?
Take care. Thank you so much for
No
calling,
problem.
okay?
Not a problem at all. Thank you. Just drop it over. You're fine. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good night, all right?
You too. Thank you.
No problem. When it gets cold, the cord doesn't go up like it did before. Take it easy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys made it this far, it's been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trog now.